All right, so we're going to be talking about the package contents, some of the stuff that you should have received inside of your box besides that big old machine. So the very first thing is, the cutting mat, okay? And that's what you're going to see here. You can see this. It has a sticky side. It has, it has numbering on it and stuff. I don't know if you guys can see that, but anyways, this is the cutting mat, big old arrow. That's how it goes inside of the machine, and it is thick. It is nice, so it's not going to break on you or anything like that. Okay, so the next thing that that you're going to want to make sure that you have is the power supply, obviously. And so, based upon your, how your electricity is typed, you're going to get that style of plug. Obviously, the power supply that you see there on the left, that is going to be universal as far as what you will receive. The next thing that you'll want to make sure that you have is the USB cord. This is what they sent us, which is right here. So a little USB 2.0. To plug it in the side of the machine if you want to plug directly into it via your computer and the software. Okay. The next thing that we'll show you here is the blades. Comes in this little case here. You'll notice that we have two red caps and a blue cap. And what that signifies to us anyway is that the blue blade is essentially your 60-degree blade tip, and you also get two 45-degree blade types with this order. Okay. The next thing that you'll want to make sure that you have in your kit is going to be your blade holder itself, and this is how it would appear to come to you, which is in this little case right here. So it's in this little protective little case. Reminds me of 35 millimeter film back in the day. But anyways, that is your blade holder. Okay, so we'll talk about more on how to insert blades and stuff in another video. So you have that, and then we also have our pen refill kit. That we'll see here. So you'll get one of those and a refill. So this is what it actually looks like in your box kit, right? So you have the holder with the pin insert, and then you actually get the pin. And we're going to show you in another video on taking apart that and how to put the pin in there and everything and what's all that involves as well. But anyways, that wraps up this video of going over what's inside your box. All right. So if you have questions, make sure you post them down below.